Hey, this is Jared again, and I'm back in the garage gym, and I just wanted to do a follow-up. I did a video on this recently, and I just thought of something. This was today, earlier actually. I added these little green felt, I don't know what you call them, little adhesive pads you put on the bottom of stuff so it doesn't scratch your wood table, furniture pads or whatever they're called. Just happen to have them at the house, so that's why I use these. There's a lot of things you could use that are similar to this, or I even thought about some kind of rubberized paint like Flex Seal, or I'm not sure if Flex Seal is rubberized, but I know there are some like rubber coatings you can apply. But I don't want to get into that and spend all this money. I'm just going to try these. The reason is, and I'll just put this down so you can see, if you saw the previous video, you noticed that, man, it really does, it's a strong magnet. So, you know, it grabs. Well, that's a lot softer sound, and obviously it's softer on everything. Makes it, I think, a little bit easier. It's hard to remember, but I think it's a little easier to get off because that gives a little bit of a buffer there. So, you know, who knows how it'll work out long term. I think it should work fine. But I guess if you see this video in a year, you can ask, how's it going? There you go. So that's just a little follow-up. Obviously, there's a lot of things you could use, or you could just use 8 of them instead of 4. I didn't have that many, so I needed, I guess, 16 to do all these, 2 pair. So there you go, that's on a 30. You can see this is on a 15. And as I said in the previous video, if you've seen that, this is a smaller surface to touch the magnet, so it holds just fine, but it's a little easier to get off on the smaller waist. But the felt does help a lot. Well, I think it does. You know, it's hard to remember, but it seems to help to get it off the 30 and so forth. Okay, there you go. Please like and subscribe and all that stuff. Check out the channel, look at the other videos, see what I've done in my garage gym, and there you go. Thanks for watching.